Now we present our research about the threshold definition for Chinese character image processing in multimodal information fusion. We are going to present background coupled methods results. This paper addresses the impact of varying bit size, scales, and stroking count on Chinese character imaging processing. The research established the solution to determine specific thresholds, providing insights to enhance multimodal information fusion for Chinese character recognition. Background. The state-of-the-art demonstrates the Chinese natural language process is multimodal process. We established the framework of 6-rate multimodal process for Chinese characters. Chinese pre-training language model style BEP incorporate the various embedded information to enhance the capability of language model, such as word, pinyin, wubi, and caizi. This research dynamically adjusts the weights of different modalities to correct spelling errors in Chinese context, including text, pinyin, and graph. Jin and others from Huazhong University use the feature of the 4 corners of Chinese characters to capture semantic and morphological information. The research also mentioned the introduction of additional Chinese modality may introduce noise. We built a character length and frequency model to determine the threshold of 4-corner number, wubi, and cangjie code. The left figure is for simplified Chinese corpus. Here shows the threshold for wubi presentation is 8 tokens. For wubi is 14 tokens. Another picture is for traditional Chinese corpus. How about the threshold in Chinese image processing? This character 2 has 33 tokens and is displayed as a resolution of 12, 24, 48, and 96 pixels. As the resolution decreases, recognition the character becomes increasingly difficult. Conversely, high resolution incurs greater computational cost. It is essential to analyze the relationship between character stroking count and image resolution to determine an appropriate threshold and minimize noise in Chinese natural language process. Corpus. Two text corpus was developed. This corpus is include 8,105 characters with associated stroking and frequent information. Another corpus is traditional Chinese from the Quanzi Ku. It includes 96,858 traditional Chinese characters with associated stroking and frequent information. A web cloud was used to collect the character image from website of Quanzi Ku. This corpus includes 96,858 Chinese characters with a stroking count K ranging from 1 to 64. For each square count, up to 100 Chinese character images was captured. Each Chinese character image is processed into the following bit size: 12, 16, 23, 24, 35, and others. This figure illustrates the black and white pixel ratio of Chinese character images at different pixel size and the distribution of character stockings. The green curve labeled as plus 24 represents 24 pixel Chinese character images with the average black and white pixel ratio of 0.1 for single stoking character and 0.86 for characters with 64 stockings. Method. Two methods to calculate similarity between images were studied, especially in Euclidean similarity and ResNet50 embedding similarity. We use 96 pixel image as benchmark to calculate the similarity between these benchmark and image of various resolutions. This figure shows the result of similarity between benchmark and the image of various solutions. The highest similarity, 1.0, is observed between the benchmark and itself. The lowest similarity is observed between the benchmark and the 12 pixel image. The trend also clearly shows that as the number of stocking color increases, the similarity decreases. Figure 4 is from the ResNet. It shows the result of similarity between the benchmark and the image of various resolutions. Similarly to the Euclidean distance similarity, the highest similarity 1.0 is observed between the benchmark and itself. Character length and frequency model. The relationship index between Chinese character length and character frequency is defined as equation 3. It describes the number of string characters in Chinese character and the evolution patterns of character frequency based on the stocking count. Please see the image. Based on the CLCF model, the granularity index of Chinese character sparring method is defined as the right equation. This figure shows in the traditional Chinese character, 4-corner number is with a threshold of 9 stockings, Wubi is 14, Changjie is 16 stockings. Procedure. We defined two parameters, who is black and white pixel ratio. Number is the ratio of black pixel and total pixel. The Chinese character image binary ratio and the character frequency model is defined as equation 5. The algorithm to define the threshold in 3 steps. First, the curve of average black and white pixel ratio of Chinese character with different stockings. Second, Euclidean similarity curve between different pixel size of different stockings. 3. An intersection of above two kinds of curves of same pixel size determines the threshold of Chinese character processing at that pixel size. So this is the result. The convex curve are the curves of the average black-white pixel rate. The concave curves are the Euclidean similarity curve between different pixel size of different stocking. The intersection of the above two kinds of curve for the same pixel size determines the threshold. For example, in case of 16 images, the interaction between red curve and yellow curve is according to K equal 12 stockings. This is the threshold for the 16 pixel image. This formula is to present the relationship between threshold and the frequency of the characters. So from green curve present 16 pixel imaging data, which is dashed line showing the threshold of 12 tokens. Recombination Chinese characters with 6 pixel imaging is generally infeasible. This is another picture to show the 24 pixel imaging data with the threshold indicated by the dashed line. After 26 tokens, representing Chinese character with 24 pixel imaging becomes problematic. Result. Our finding reveal Chinese character image process thresholds of 8 tokens for 12 pixels, 12 tokens for 16 pixels, 26 tokens for 24 pixels, and 33 tokens for 35 pixel images. It's important to note that 30% of characters have more than 12 tokens for simplified Chinese characters, and for traditional Chinese characters, this percentage is almost 60%. This result provides valuable insight for optimization Chinese character imaging processing and informs the development of robust multimodal information fusion approaches. This is a reference of our research. Thanks a lot for your attention.